Okay, so today we are mounting some Federal G-10 gravel tires. They are 195, 65, 15. This is a soft compound. They are directional, so you just have an inside and an outside, so it's pretty easy to mount. So here just a regular lube on the inside. The current temperature today is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is warm for New England, but for some other parts of the country it's pretty under average temperatures. Okay, so here we have a Method MR501 wheel, which is a used wheel, but it's in good shape. So let's get started. Those tires will mount without any drama. Here. No problem. I haven't had any issues with those tires. They're already working out. And now, if you are using them for Rallycross, I would really recommend to use some bead sealer, especially on the outside of the rim, because the sidewall is pretty soft and you can easily get dirt or rocks in between the rim and the bead, and that will lead to a slow leak. In rally application I didn't have any problem, but in Rallycross application, where we tend to do a lot of landing sideways in the berms or in some rough terrain, the bead sealant will help a bit. Otherwise, keep the pressure slightly up. So here, the bottom already popped. Usually, it's between 65 and 80 psi to seat them on the bead, to seat the bead on the rim. So we'll see this one. Pressure going up. I'll turn it so that you guys can see. There we go. 83 psi for this. It's relatively similar to what I was used to with the Pirellis using the same tire machine here. So use those tires at STPR. Was really happy with the result with them. So now a bunch more that we'll use for the rally sprints and EFR.